Most people hear about Walmart Spark Driver and immediately think it's an easy way to make quick money every day. But then they start and realize earnings are not always consistent. Here's the truth no one tells you. Walmart Spark Driver pay depends heavily on timing, location, and how you use the system. In this video, you'll learn exactly how Walmart Spark Driver pay works in 2026 and how much you can realistically make. Let's break it down clearly. Walmart Spark Driver is part of the delivery ecosystem run by the Walmart Inc. platform, where independent drivers deliver grocery and retail orders directly to customers. Now here's where it gets interesting. You are not paid a fixed salary. You are paid per delivery, and every offer you see in the app can be different. So let's go step by step. Most Spark Driver offers are based on distance, order size, and estimated time. That means a short trip with a small order will pay less, while longer or batch deliveries usually pay more. Now imagine someone like Jake. He works during peak hours on weekends. He accepts stacked orders, completes multiple deliveries in one trip, and increases his earnings per hour. But here's the problem most beginners face. They accept low-paying offers during slow hours and assume the app pays poorly overall, when in reality they are just working at the wrong times. Now let's talk about realistic earnings. In many areas, drivers may earn anywhere from low to moderate hourly income depending on demand. Busy cities with high order volume usually offer better consistency, while rural areas may have fewer opportunities. Now here's something important. Surge pricing and peak bonuses can significantly increase earnings during busy times like evenings, weekends, and holidays. Now let's move deeper. Your actual take-home pay is not just earnings. You also need to consider fuel, vehicle maintenance, and time between orders. That's why two drivers in the same area can earn very different net income. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Some experienced drivers combine Spark with other delivery apps to reduce downtime and increase total hourly earnings. This strategy helps stabilize income instead of relying on one platform. So let's simplify everything. You get paid per delivery. Your pay depends on distance, time, order size, and demand. Peak hours and stacked orders usually bring the highest earnings. Now here's the biggest mistake people make. They judge Spark Driver pay based on a single slow shift instead of tracking earnings over peak hours and multiple days. So here is the final takeaway. Walmart Spark Driver pay in 2026 is flexible and opportunity-based. You can earn more during busy hours and less during slow periods, depending on your strategy. If this helped you understand Walmart Spark Driver pay clearly, like, comment, and subscribe for more simple earning breakdowns like this.